Right now, you can sell this $9 dial for $25 to $40 online. But here's the thing, it won't last forever. All right, here's the thing. These LABUBU dials right here, this is a six pack. You can get both of these together, a 12-piece, on wesply.com in a seasonal section. And these cost you $111 total. And you're able to sell each of these dials, is 12 total, for $25 to $40. Now, why is this important? It's important because when you are actually hitting a gold mine like this one, this is a beautiful seasonal gold mine, you gotta take advantage. All right, so now what I wanna do is I wanna do the math, right? So we're gonna put one of these down and you can get this, right? This is a six pack. So what you do is if you open this up, you see that there's 6 of these boxes, okay? These are boxes right here. And these LABUBU dials, they sell for, again, $25 to $40 online. Now, you can sell them for more, but I recommend staying in that price range, right? So what I'm gonna do is I already know on WESPLY for 6, you can buy 6 for $72. 72 divided by 6 means you're getting each dial for that price, for only 6 at $12 each, okay? So that means that if you're going to sell these, let's do a median price, right? Let's do $27 each, okay? Now, $27 each for 6, you're making $162. You invested $72, that's a $90 profit. Now, that's simple, guys, and that makes sense, right? But what if you say, okay, well, let me actually double down. I wanna go and I wanna do 2, okay? So let's say you wanna do $2, okay? Let me get my calculator again, sorry guys. You wanna do $2, so 2 packs, which means you're getting 12, okay? So we have a 12-piece option on a seasonal section in wesply.com. Now, 12 of them, you're literally going to be able to get these for, so 111 divided by 12, $9.25. Now, let's say we're selling them for $27 again, 27 times 12, that's $324 that you'll be able to make with these dials. Let's subtract our initial investment. That's going to be $111. That means you're making $213 selling these dials. Now, when I say these dials sell, I mean they sell like sell. Like they are one of the most prominent products right now on the market. And here's the thing, when you're starting to sell these, you're going to fall in love, but you don't want to keep selling them because it is a point where they're probably going to get burnt out. But I will say right now, especially since school has started, these have keychains on them. You're going to have the kids wanting to wear them on their book bags. This is a really hot buy and something you should definitely take advantage of. Now, let's talk about the demand. Okay, so the demand is interesting because it's spiking. A lot of people are wanting them and not a lot of people can find them. Now, I will say this though, resellers are starting to come into the game. There's a bunch of people trying to get their profit from these dials as well, whether they're buying from other wholesalers like or if they're somebody that's out there just buying and reselling, right? There's price gougers out there, and that's really what's damaging the market. You got people trying to sell them for $20, then you have somebody trying to sell them for $200. It's starting to become a market where if you got it at a certain price point, you're selling it affordably. But if you got it and you're just trying to resell it, you're just astronomically pricing it insane, where now consumers start getting confused. I don't really like when markets get like this, but I will say it makes you stick out more. So this is how you take advantage. You go on eBay right now. Go on Mercari, go on the internet in general. You'll see LABUBU dials for a bunch of different prices. Now, where you take advantage is you make sure that you always have a reasonable price. Now, the reason is because the reasonable price is not only going to incline customers to clicking on your listing and wanting to buy, but it's also going to make them feel like you're reasonable, and being reasonable is always going to be attractive, and you're always able to capitalize off of that. Now, with eBay, I would definitely use the free promotion tab to sell these dials dials as well, because you can use general promotions. I would put it at 10%. I would sell these and I would literally rake in the profit. Again, this is something we've been doing with our students, myself as well, and also all of our eBay automation clients. And you could be next, and literally it's right at the tip of your fingers. You just got to be ready to pull the trigger, because it's not going to last due to the fact that people are just pricing astronomically insane and wild, and eventually it's going to get burnt out. But right now, it seems that we're just in the prime. Now, speaking of the prime, I want to also talk about why people miss out. So people miss out on seasonal products like this all the time. One, because they're scared. They have a scarcity mindset. I just released a video where I talk about the scarcity mindset because, again, we all get scared of investing sometimes, and I don't blame you. I've been scared plenty of times with a bunch of different products, and I'll actually show you one that's new. This right here, and I'll tell you guys the truth, I got this for $10, and this is actually a sample product. This is a sample speaker. Now, this speaker is really, really small, but sounds really, really good. Now, the reason why I'm kind of afraid is because I haven't really sold a speaker this small before, and of course, I want to make good profit, but this is a risk. Oh, matter of fact, let me show you guys more. I created another risk because I brought another one even though I wasn't sure they'll sell. And then again, I did another one because I didn't and still don't know if they're going to sell. But again, these are new products that I've never touched, never really utilized, only had a distributor utilize it for me and show me and test it. So these are all risks that you assume, and guess what? They 9 times out of 10 pan out, because see, like the LABUBU dials, if these speakers don't sell immediately off the platform, I'm able to sell them in person, customer facing, anywhere that I want. And again, this is where I win, I don't lose, and of course profit. So you guys can do the same, and I promise you, you just have to believe in yourself to get the job done, because the people that don't are the people that miss out, and you don't want to be in that boat. Now, what should you do now? Now, definitely go to wesply.com and go get your LABUBU dials. But before you do that, I want you guys just do your research. Go online and look at how many is selling. Go look at the sold tab. Go look at the pricing. It makes sense. But I will tell you this, you need to act now. And I don't mean to be pushy or try to seem salesy, but I will say that we have been selling out, and we have been selling really well on eBay automation. I'm very excited about this product because it's such a simple, really complex product. This is a product that does nothing. It has no real expectation but to be a dial, and people love them. I don't know why, but again, take advantage. And if you guys want to get these, you can definitely get these at wesply.com. That stands for my wholesale company, We Supply. This company is for resellers like you and I, without any EIN, resellers permit, any LLC. You can start reselling. You can literally get products that are trending from this website whenever you want. So create an account and make sure you guys go ahead and get your dials and start profiting now. Turn the hustle into profit, and I hope to see you guys at the top because it's way too crowded at the bottom.